After all the recently made medical innovations, people are living longer and healthier than ever. But there's always room for improvement, which brings me to today's guest, Noam Hassidov, the founder and CEO of Tandem Technologies. Tandem Technologies is an incubator company within the Trendline Group, and he's here to tell us more about what his company is doing to help our medical professionals in the field. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome.
All right, so now I understand your company has been working on something called the Tandem Snare. Tell us a little bit about that.
Okay. So today, physicians remove polyps from the human colon during colonoscopy. Colonoscopy is a screening procedure that looks for cancer in the colon, as you can see here.
Exactly.
And what happens is that once the physician finds a polyp, he removes it before it becomes cancer. Now he's working only with one tool. So figure how it's hard to cut a tomato with one hand. It goes all the way.
Absolutely.
But once you add a second hand, one holding it, a second cutting, it's easier. At Tandem Technologies, we do the same. We add a second hand to the physician so he can hold it with a tiny grasper and cut it with the loop outside. So we get perfection cut each time.
All right, so what inspired you to focus on this issue? What was the thought process behind what you created?
So I'm looking at physicians for more than 10 years, how they work and what is the things that is hard for them and easy for them. And I saw that both young and old physicians have the same problem of grasping the polyp. They just try and try and try, and it runs away. It's like trying to grasp something which is a small bump. You just try to grab it and it runs away. So this eventually made me to the understanding and that you need a second hand to hold it.
Now, explain, what is the real problem with losing a polyp here and there? Because, I don't know much about this issue specifically.
So what happens when you find a polyp, you want to take it to pathology lab to know what the patient have. Does he have normal tissue? Is it cancerous? Should we send him to surgery? Or should we send him home for 10 years until his second screening? So if you don't have pathology, you don't know the result. Then we don't know what to do with the patient. So it's critical to know what was removed, because if not, we cannot give the patient the right treatment.
Now, is this product already available for use?
No, it's under development now and not available for use.
And when is the time frame? When can we expect to see physicians using it?
Probably early next year.
Amazing, amazing. So what is next for Tandem Technologies? Do you have any message that you guys want to send to the people that are listening today?
Actually, yes. Like 5% of people will suffer from colon cancer in their lifetime, which is a huge number. And if you're above 50, go to your physician, tell him that you want to get screened and have your colonoscopy. It will keep you alive for long years.
And hopefully this product will be out there and ready so that your physician can do a better test on you.
Okay.
Do you guys have any technologies down the line that are going to be coming out that are related to other diseases?
Not at this time.
All right, well, we're going to have to look forward to what you guys come up with.
Thank you
so much for coming in.
Welcome.